Hello and welcome to the beginning of your training. This is Phase 1. This may be the easiest phase. In this, you simply get the items you will need to officially begin working towards the ring. There are some steps, so let's go over them now. Step 1. Finding the things. Find this wall in the training/practice area. It has all the goodies you need, and yes, these will cost you 0 lindens. Step 2. Getting the things. Click, click, click away. Sometimes right-click and go to pay, but you will get that linden back. Remember, all of this will cost you 0 lindens. Step 3. Go somewhere. Teleport away to somewhere you know you can res out objects, or to a sandbox. There will be a link/SLURL in the description of this video to a sandbox you can res out. Step 4. Delivery. Simply left-click on the boxes/objects, or right-click, choose Open. Then wait for the contents to load. Once the loading contents message goes away and you see a list in the Object Contents window, click the button that says Copy to Inventory. Step 5. Surprises. Yes, there will be a couple of surprises there. The first being the Sell It HUD comes to you directly, so put that in a place within your inventory you can get to easily because we will be using that in training. And the second surprise was, there are many ways to do things. Keep that in mind. Step 6. The Prime HUD. Go to the folder labeled Prime Optimus Wrestling HUD. Expand that folder. Go to the object labeled Prime Optimus Wrestling HUD Preloaded. Right-click and choose Add. Always add the HUD. Once you see it on the screen, we continue. Step 7. Gestures. This is a movement and gesture-based system. So, left-click once the Genesis/Legacy gestures folder. Then go to the filter of your inventory window. Left-click once on the drop-down bar and choose Gestures. Now, left-click once on the way to the very top, the gesture in the Genesis/Legacy Gestures folder. The very top gesture in the Genesis/Legacy Gestures folder. While it is highlighted, scroll down to the very last gesture in the Genesis/Legacy Gestures folder. Hold the Control button or CTRL button on your keyboard. With the Control/CTRL button still held, left-click once on the very last gesture in the Genesis/Legacy Gestures folder. This will highlight all of the gestures in that folder. Carefully right-click on any of the highlighted gestures and choose the option Activate. All the gestures in the Genesis/Legacy Gestures folder will be bolded. You can pause here if you need to keep trying a few times. Step 7. Animation time. In your nearby chat bar, type in /lockup. All one word, all together, no spaces. /lockup. All one word, as you see on the screen. Hit enter. Your avatar now animates. Next, in the nearby chat bar, type in /slap. All one word, as you see on the screen. Hit enter. Your avatar should do one quick animation and then stop animating completely. Again, repeat these steps until you get the desired results. Step 8. Key corrections. Left-click on any empty space in your SL screen, on the screen there. Just simply left-click once on any empty space upon your screen or within your browser. Then, while holding down your Control CTRL key, press the G key. As you see on the screen, press the G key while holding down Control/CTRL. This will bring up your Gestures window. Next, press the key sorting option at the top right of your screen to sort all of your gestures by function key. Oh look, there's some in there with the F function keys. These are numbered F1 through F12. Locate those keys on your keyboard with your eyes, only your eyes. Step 9, fixing the Fs. There should be one of each of the F/function key options in your gestures window. Only one F2, only one F12. If you see more than one, click on the one that is not a wrestling move. Then click the Edit button at the bottom left. Here you have two options. The first option is to simply uncheck the box next to Activate in that specific gestures window. This will deactivate the gesture. The second option is to change the key binding. In the gesture window, look for the line that says Shortcut Key. There are two drop-down bars. The drop-down bar to the left should have 3 dashes or hyphens. The right drop-down bar will have the key assigned to that gesture. Make both drop-down bars under Shortcut Key in the gesture window the 3 dashes or 3 hyphens. Once that is done, click the Save button at the bottom. Close that gesture out. Repeat this process until all of the F key gestures in your main active gestures window are wrestling moves. And there is only one gesture assigned to each of the F keys. There can be no 2 active gestures on the same function key shortcut. Step 10. Push the Fs. Starting with the F2 key, push each F key from F2 to F12 one at a time. Let the animation play out, then click the next one. If you get stuck in an animation, press the F12 key a few times. Press the F12 key a few times. If you're still stuck, click on Avatar, then go to Avatar Health, then click on Stop Avatar Animations in your Phoenix Firestorm browser/viewer. And that's it. Now, either come to training after all that is complete or message anyone on the training staff and let them know you've completed the intro to training, and we will inform you of the next step of your journey. Welcome